Hello, good day to my future employer, ma'am and sir. My name is Matherin Las Paalam, 32 years old, graduating in college as Associate in Hotel and Restaurant Management. My duties and responsibilities as a nanny for 3 years Finnish contract here in Philippines is I serve 4 members of the family, a couple and a 6 and 9 years old. My priority main duties is to take care of their 2 children, 6 and 9, by preparing them a nutritious food, take them vitamins on time, assist them to taking them a bath, preparing their needs in school, pick up and bring them in school, playing and teach them basic mathematics and English, and also numbering and alphabetically. I also do cleaning the whole house, like washing dishes, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and take care of their 2 dogs. I always make the toilet clean at all times to avoid bad odor, and also the kitchen to avoid food poisoning. Aside of nanny, I work also as a security woman of supermalls for 5 years, Finnish contract, and also a certified CCTV supervisor operator in condominium for almost 5 years, Finnish contract too. To my future employer, please choose me as your nanny. I promise to do my very best, and I'm willing to learn more. I am trustworthy, kind, honest, and fast learner. I will follow the rules and regulations that you've given to me. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day, and God bless. Bye.